Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your chemistry teacher of class pre-9th. Today we will discuss lecture 2 of chemistry chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. In introduction of periodic table, we will discuss periodic table, groups and periods. What is periodic table? In 19th century, chemists devoted much of their efforts in attempts to arrange elements in a systematic manner. The elements known at that time were arranged in the form of a table which is known as periodic table. In periodic table, vertical columns are called groups and horizontal lines of table are known as periods. With the discovery of the periodic table, the study of individual properties of the known elements is reduced to study of a few groups. Here we will discuss various attempts which were made to classify these elements into a tabular form. Du Breiner's triad. What is Du Breiner's triads? A German chemist, Du Breiner, observed relationship between atomic masses of several groups of 3 elements called triads. In triad, central or middle element had atomic mass average of the other 2 elements. Here in this example, we can see that calcium atomic mass 40, strontium atomic mass 88 and barium atomic mass 137. The atomic mass of strontium is the average of the atomic masses of calcium and barium. The atomic mass of strontium is the average of the atomic masses of calcium and barium. Here are some other examples. The atomic mass of sodium is the average of the atomic masses of lithium and potassium, while atomic mass of bromine is the average of the atomic masses of chlorine and iodine. Average atomic mass can be calculated by adding atomic mass of first element and third element and divided by 2. What is Newland octaves? In Newland's octaves, we will discuss some previous attempts to classify elements and why they are failed, octaves and the law of octaves, advantages and limitation of octaves, the correction of Newland's octaves, and some extra facts. There are some previous attempts to classify elements. The method of arranging elements in groups of 3 triads was tried out by John Wolfgang Du Breiner. In this method, the elements in a triad were written in the order of increasing atomic masses. The atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic masses of other 2 elements. We see examples in our previous slides. This method failed because this did not work with elements that had very high or very low atomic number. John Newland's the attempts of Du Breiner encouraged other scientists like relate the properties of elements with their atomic masses. One of these scientists, chemist, was John. He was homeschooled by his father, William Newland. When he heard that Du Breiner was in the news for classifying elements based on their atomic masses and numbers, he was also determined to create a system that could classify elements. This system was known as the Law of Octaves, created by him in 1866. Newland put forward his observation in the form of Law of Octaves. The law of octaves states that every 8th element had properties similar to the first element. Hence, octave, oct means 8. He noted that there was a repetition in chemical properties of every eighth element if they were arranged by their increasing atomic masses. He compared it with musical notes. His work could not get much recognition as no space was left for undescribed element. In this system, Newland had placed an early element known at that time from hydrogen to thorium 56 element. The noble gases were also not known at that time. There are some advantages and disadvantages of the octave classification. Advantages: it helped detect a periodic pattern in the properties of elements. This classification helped to develop better system of classification. And what are the advantages? This held true only for elements till calcium. Newland assumed that only 56 elements existed in nature, but many more elements were discovered whose properties did not fit into the octaves. In order to fit elements into this table, Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot and also adjusted some unlike elements under the same slot. The law of octaves worked well only with the lighter elements. Students, there is correction of Newland's law of octaves. The law of octaves was found to be very unreliable to classify and compare elements on the basis of chemical properties. Hope you understand what is periodic table, groups and periods, and Du Breiner's triads and Newland's octaves. Thank you.